In the previous video, we discussed the topic speed, types of speed, graph representation, average speed. But now we will discuss what is velocity. Velocity is just like a speed, but here in the velocity we define as displacement by time, but in the speed we define distance by time. That's what is the only difference. That is, velocity of the body is displacement per unit time taken. और distance में क्या था, speed में क्या था, distance traveled per unit time taken. Velocity is displacement per unit time. SI unit will be same. Here is also meter per second and another unit is kilometer per hour. In the speed also meter per second and kilometer per hour. And it is also uniform and non-uniform, as same as a speed. Now the average velocity. What is average velocity? The average speed is total distance by total time. The average velocity is total displacement by total time. Average velocity of the body in given time is defined as the displacement of body divided by time interval. Displacement of body by time. In the previous example, if we discuss Delhi to Meerut 250 km, then Meerut to Delhi 250 km, and we calculated the speed was 50. The average speed was 50 km per hour. But in this case, the average velocity will be 0 because the displacement is 0. 0 by the value is 0. So we can say it can be 0. So we can also say what is the difference between the speed and velocity. Here speed and velocity. Speed is defined as a distance traveled divided by time taken. Velocity is defined as displacement of body per unit time taken. Distance if can never be 0, so speed can never be 0. Speed does not depend upon direction. Velocity depends upon direction. A to B, B to C, Delhi to Agra, P to Q, like that. Speed is a scalar quantity because it depends upon the distance, which is also scalar. Velocity is vector quantity because it is depend upon the displacement, which is also vector quantity. It is always positive speed. Velocity, it can be positive and negative. Negative if moving in opposite direction. Delhi to Meerut, Meerut to Delhi in opposite direction continuously, it can be negative. Speed can never be 0, but velocity may be 0. We have seen in the above example. For further discussion and understanding, I will send you the number of numericals based on this topic, and you can solve it and ask the problem from me.